Hello everyone. So in this video is to show how to check um, the cause of the symptom that you have, like intermittent, the system turn off by itself, and especially in a trip, in a long drive or in a drive anyway. It doesn't happen when you stationary the car, but only when you drive. So it is suspect it might be the reason of the loose connector or the pins. And what we do is pull out the head unit and look at the back. At first, unplug the main connector from the back of the head unit, which is the black one, 16 pin here, and carefully visually check all the wiring there. If it is, try to gently use your finger and pull gently and see if it actually loose or not loose. All the cable here, it has 16 of them. Mainly you want to check the yellow, the black and the red, but other than that, do check on all the cable here to make sure that you have a good feeling that no losing connector over here, or no bad feeling or missing anything or unusual looking in the front here. And now if this point is good, now the second point is the connector from the cable to the car's connector, and this one has several pins as well. In this case, for the Toyota, many of Toyota has been using those two cable, and also one of small one or other one the big one. Now looking at those pins, pull it out from the connector first and looking those pins if there's any bend or pushing backward pin, which you can also easily verify from the back end here. If anything pushing backward, okay, and if everything check okay, then you can gently push it back again. But at this time, trying to use two hands, one left hand holding the factory cable here and one right hand holding this one, and you try to pull it gently, push it and pull in, so you feel how far the loosen point can be between the factory and this one, because sometimes it just moving like not moving at all, but some other time it might be moving in and out like about few millimeter. So at that time, use the electrical tape along this side of the new cable connector to the factory connector, so you push them all the way in and lock with tape very firm from there, and that would make sure the connection between the factory and the new connector is firm and not losing any millimeter of the distance. And after that, plug this one back into the head unit and try to turn it on. And if there's still any problem, give us a notice. Thank you.